Welcome back, viewers! 5 mistakes skinny guys make when trying to gain muscle. Many guys can relate to that frustrating, helpless feeling of being small, weak, and unattractive because of a skinny build. This is especially the case for men who society has deemed must look muscular and toned to pass the beauty standards for males. When you're a skinny man in the world of bodybuilding, there are heaps of things you must bear in mind. What if you've done your best but still failed to gain the results you wanted? Well, have you ever thought that you might have been committing mistakes that are actually killing your efforts? In this video, we will tell you 5 mistakes skinny men should avoid making in their efforts to gain muscle. Some might not be what you expected, like putting too much volume. So keep watching to keep yourself educated. Enjoying the video so far? Show some support and hit that like button. Number 1. Not enough food. You may think you're eating enough, but chances are you aren't. This mistake is probably the most common one made by many skinny guys. If your workout is decent, then the next culprit could be your diet. After all, the body cannot produce new muscle tissues if it lacks the raw materials. Food is the raw materials, so if you aren't getting bigger, then you may not be providing enough materials or food to your body. Number 2. Too much cardio. One of the good ways to minimize fat gains is to throw in 3 to 4 cardio sessions a week. But if you're a skinny guy, then you likely don't have much body fat to lose. Then this also means you don't have to worry about cardio. If you still must, you can do 2 to 3 sessions of walking to keep your heart healthy without hurting your ability to build muscles. Number 3. Too much volume. Do you push yourself in doing more gym exercises to speed up your muscle goals? You might want to reconsider seriously. For skinny men, less is more best applies to them. If you're struggling to gain weight, then try cutting half all the number of sets you're doing for each exercise for 2 weeks, and you'll likely see some glimpses of the results you've hoped for. Number 4. Reliance on supplements. If you're one of the guys who rely a bit much on supplements, you might want to rethink your habit. Although some supplements really do help, none of them will do the work for you either. For building muscles, the main supplements you should focus on are creatine, fish oil, and protein powder. Number 5. High stress levels. Stress has always been a huge pain, but it's also going to make building muscles quite difficult. A body that's in a highly stressed state will secrete a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is responsible for breaking tissues down. Thus, if you have this hormone on your veins, then it'll be tough to start building tissues up. In other words, being stressed hinders your body's ability to effectively build muscles. Have you made the same mistakes as those in our video? What are they? If not, make sure to keep those crucial mistakes in mind so you won't follow the same steps. Feel free to share your comments about this video below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.